Hello, District 303 student. We are right over here in Drive. You can get to it by clicking on the waffle and clicking on Drive. So right here, I have some items that I have in my Drive. The first thing that I might want to consider is just highlighting these, holding down the Control button on my computer, and just highlighting the ones that I am ready to delete. I right-click and I go all the way down to the bottom and I hit Remove. Those will be sent over to the trash. I can undo if I would like, or I can go into the trash up to 30 days to retrieve those items from the trash. The other thing that I strongly suggest doing is in your drive, you are going to right click on my drive and create a new folder. You can title this 2020-21 or whatever year it is. Then what I can do is I can highlight those items by just dragging over all of the things that I was doing. Or I can hold down on the shift, highlight all those items. Once I click and hold down, then I can drag them up, all of those files, and I can drag them into my Google Drive folder that I just created. Now all of those have been moved from my drive to 2020-21. So I can archive those for the next year. Then when I start my next school year, I don't have all of the clutter in my Google Drive underneath. Now it's all clean and tidy, ready to go. If you're ever wondering where those items went, you can always click up here in the eye, which is the view the details and the information, and you can see on that activity where things have gone and what I have done with those items. So if I highlight here, or if I highlight in my drive, you can see now that I've moved 11 items and I have record of all the things that I've done. If you have any further questions, reach out to an LRC director or a tech specialist at your school. Have a great summer and take care.